So you want an adventure, you want to find out what it could be. Take a look inside a book and see. Adventures of a Book Reader! Wow, there you are. Today we're going to read a book about a monkey. Oh, well, maybe 5 monkeys. How about that? And about a mama and a doctor. And there's a bed and some other things going on. And there's some words to know, like 5 and doctor and monkey and head and silly and 4 and mama and 3. Lots of numbers. 3 is a number. Did you know that? It can be written as a word like THREE, or it can be written like the number 3. Bumped, 1, 2. So we're going to read 5 Silly Monkeys today, illustrated by Steve Haskamp. Maybe you've heard something similar before. There's a song about monkeys. Oh, we're not at the beginning. Let's get back to the beginning. 5 silly monkeys almost ruined the surprise. Almost ruined the surprise. 5 silly monkeys, illustrated by Steve Haskamp. 5 silly monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. What did Mama do? Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." So what did the monkeys do? Well, there were 4 silly monkeys eating on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys eating on the bed." Then there were 3 monkeys left. We had 5 monkeys. 2 of them bumped their heads, so 3 are left. 3 silly monkeys swinging on the bed. Swinging? Oh my goodness, is that like a dance? They're swinging on each other or something? One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys swinging on the bed." So what did the monkeys do? Well, 2 silly monkeys sliding on the bed. Sliding on the bed? What? How did those monkeys slide on the bed? Did they prop up one end? Did they move the mattress around or something? I don't know. 2 silly monkeys sliding on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys sliding on the bed." So now there's just 1 monkey left on the bed. Has he learned his lesson? I don't think so. 1 silly monkey spinning on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys spinning on the bed." But, there's a but. Oh, this is not good. Those monkeys have not learned their lesson. Do you think those monkeys have learned their lesson? I don't think I want to turn the page. I really don't. I really, really don't. Well, should I turn the page? All right. For you, I'll turn the page, but only for you. Nobody mentioned anything about jumping on the couch. The couch, that poor couch. And those monkeys are going wild crazy. They bumped their heads and they didn't learn nothing. And so there's the story of 5 little monkeys. But stick around. There's more to learn. There's more to learn indeed. Because we can learn how to type some of the words we saw in the book. Like silly. S-I-L-L-Y. Or how about monkey? M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Or how about mama? M-A-M-A. Or how about doctor? Oh, that's a good one. Doctor's a little long. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. What about one? One. O-N-E. Or maybe two. T-W-O. Two. Might as well do the other numbers we saw. How about three? T-H-R-E-E. Or the number 3. Then 4. The word for is F-O-U-R. 4 like the number. 4. And spinning. Let's try that. S-P-I-N-N-I-N-G. Somebody was spinning on the bed. Oh, that's right. Bed. Let's do that one. B-E-D. Bed. We already did monkey, didn't we? Let's do it again. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. How about turtle? Well, we could do turtle, but turtle wasn't in this book. Maybe we'll do a turtle another time. Let's try bump. We bumped, the monkeys bumped their head. B-U-M-P-E-D. Bumped. Slide. Sliding on the bed. S-L-I-D-I-N-G. Sliding. Fell. The monkeys fell off the bed. F-E-L-L. Fell. Another reading adventure is just around the corner. With Adventures of a Book Reader. For the love of literacy and every good book.